Hi everybody, I'm back with another unboxing video. This is again from TRUMIUM, and this is a bracelet that I kind of wanted to see how it looked on me, so we're going to do the first unboxing here. And yeah, if you like my unboxing videos, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if there's some specific product you want me to try. So let's check it out. So there's the TRUMIUM box, and okay, there's the chain. Double bagged for extra protection. Okay. All right, let's just take a look at it. Okay, looks really good. It's got a nice shine to it. All right, let me put it on real quick. Obviously, I got to use two hands for it, so I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I got the chain on. As you can tell, it's got this little hook here. And I got the 7-inch, which I think was the perfect size for me. So you can see it fits really well. It's got a little bit of slack is what you want. You know, you don't want it like too fitted and it's like cutting off circulation. So yeah, this looks like a great fit. The link will be in the description so you can buy your own. Let me know what you think. Again, like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more of them. Thanks.